Hi. So here we have to form or figure out the number of integers which are greater than 2000 that can be formed using these 6 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, using each digit at most once. So no repetition is allowed effectively. Now numbers greater than 2000 can be either 4-digit number, 5-digit number or 6-digit number. It cannot be a 7-digit number because we have only 6 digits and they have to be used without repetition. So we'll have to make 3 cases here for 4-digit numbers, for 5-digit numbers and for 6-digit numbers. So let's start with the first case. Let's see how many 4-digit numbers are there greater than 2000 that can be formed using these digits without repetition. So let's start with the leftmost digit. Now this leftmost digit cannot be filled by 0 because otherwise it will not be a 4-digit number, and it cannot be filled by 1. All these digits have to be greater than 2000, right? 2000 is also a 4-digit number. So if a 4-digit number is greater than 2000, its leftmost digit should definitely be greater than or equal to 2. It cannot be 1, right? Hence 1 also cannot be filled at this place. So either you can have a 2, 3, 4 or 5 at this place. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So this place can be filled in 4 ways. Okay. So let's say 2 is filled at this place. Now at this place, any of the remaining 5. Now how many digits we have? 0, 1, 3, 4, 5. Any of these 5 digits can come at this place, right? So this can be filled in 5 ways. Now let's say this is filled with 0. If let's say this is filled with 0. Now we have 1, 3, 4, 5. 4 digits remaining here. Now any of these 4 digits can come at this place. So this can be filled in 4 ways. And similarly the last digit can be filled in 3 ways. So any number of this form is definitely greater than 2000. Even if it is 2 here, 0 here, you'll have out of 1, 3, 4, 5 at least 2 digits here which will make it greater than 2000. So the number of 4-digit numbers greater than 2000 using these digits without repetition is 4 into 5 into 4 into 3, which comes out to be 240 here. Okay. Now let's come to the next case, which is number of 5-digit such numbers. Now since if it is a 5-digit number, there is no problem of it being greater than 2000. All 5-digit numbers are by default greater than 2000, so we need not worry about greater than 2000 here. So let's start here. Now this leftmost digit cannot be 0, otherwise it will not be a 5-digit number. So it cannot be 0, it can take any other digit. Any other digit can come here. So of the remaining 5 digits, this place can be filled in 5 ways. Let's say it is filled with 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 digits remaining and we have 4 places remaining. So the remaining 4 places can be filled in 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 ways without repetition. So the total number of such numbers is product of all these numbers, which is 600. So there are 600 5-digit numbers which are by default greater than 2000 and they are formed using these digits without repetition. And coming to the last case, case 3, where we have a 6-digit number. Again, since it's a 6-digit number, we don't have to worry about it being greater than 2000. It is by default greater than 2000. So again, out of these 6 digits, if you have to fill this digit, this can be filled only by the remaining 5 digits and not 0. Only by 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. So this can be filled in 5 ways. 0 cannot come because it has to be a 6-digit number here. And we have, if let's say 1 is filled at this place, now 0 can come at any of these positions, no issue. So we have 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 digits and we have 5 positions. So 5 digits can be filled in these 5 positions without repetition as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So the total number of ways is product of all these numbers, which again comes out to be 600. Okay. So the total number of such numbers which satisfy all the given conditions is 600 plus 600, 1200, 1200 plus 240 is 1440. So the correct answer here is option C, 1440. Thank you.